Hello, welcome to this update. So let's see what's happening. W- We now have still that system, the Mediterranean there, and the system near Turkey with the snow, but the main system right now are the storms there. In Italy, still some very intense storms, and then we have Storm Ashley that was named yesterday, so it will affect the UK there with a lot of strong winds and some rain. So you can see on Sunday the rain starts and the wind, and then the cold front passes the UK, and those very tight isobars will leave some very gusty winds there, especially in Ireland and parts of the northern UK. And then this passes might go towards Norway, some rain and snow there later Sunday. So let's see. There's the European model too, shows actually approaching there. Let's just put like here. So shows that it approaches early on Sunday. Alright, some rain like Saturday night. Alright, some rain in Ireland. Then it approaches. This will be Sunday morning, and then some very intense winds at 955 millibars. Is a very intense low pressure system. And then it goes there. Might go towards Norway too. And yeah, and later we have to monitor next Thursday for another front. So let's see. There's the some other models. The ARPAG shows that this thing approaching 946 millibars. Then it passes the UK there, weakens to 952 millibars, but still very strong. There'll be some very intense winds and rain there. This is Sunday. The worst is on Sunday. Still some strong winds on Monday there, and still a few showers on like late Monday and Tuesday. So let's see. There's this high resolution model. It shows the cold front arriving there from Ashley on Sunday. This model only covers like Central Europe, so it doesn't show the northern UK, but it does show it approaching there. And like, let's see, there's the Canadian model for like here. So it does show this approaching 950 millibars, a very big system, a lot of rain throughout Ireland, parts of the UK, so be aware there. So some very strong wind, then it goes away towards Norway and some other areas. Potential another system next Thursday, the 24th. So yeah, there's the icon as well. Shows this approaching there, 959, 954 millibars. A lot of rain from this, it crosses the UK there, and still strong winds until Monday. So be aware there. And then let's see, for example, some models here for the wing gusts. So this is the arpegg, shows this arriving there, some very big winds in the sea, but then it shows the first front arriving early on Sunday. Those purples are almost 200 kilometer per hour gusts, but yeah. So let's see, keeps going, and then like Sunday afternoon it shows potential close to 118 or like 130 kilometer per hour gusts near Northern Ireland. Then it keeps going, passes just north of the UK, and shows in the northernmost areas close to 150 kilometer per hour gusts. So let's see. There's the high resolution model, shows only the southern UK, but it does show this approaching in Ireland, some close to 100 kilometer per hour gusts. Then it shows those stronger gusts northwestern Ireland, close to like 100 kilometer per hour. So let's see. There's the GFS too, shows this approaching there. Better see it here. So this on Sunday shows the initial front, some strong winds, 70, strike 80 km per gust. Then that very strong part approaches, more than 100 km per gust in Ireland, and through many parts of the central northern UK. Let's see. There's the European model, shows these approaches there. the initial front, some 100 km per gust, and then it shows this like very strong later on Sunday, close to more than 100 km per gust in Northern Ireland, Western Ireland, and the Northern UK. So please be careful there. Are there any other models? I don't think the Canadian model has wingers. Maybe like the icon. Not sure if I showed, but let's see it here. It's kind of better. So now this system is there. There's some gusty winds in the Azores. Shows some 6 km per gust in the Azores today. That front continues there. And then it shows this approaches the UK. This is the European model. Shows like some 90 km per gust, some 86 with the initial front on Sunday. As the initial front comes, some 99 km per gust, 100 later on Sunday. Let's see, this initial front crosses the UK, shows like some 84, 70, 66 km per gust. And then later on, some Sunday afternoon, that strongest part passes near Western Ireland, goes 113, 116 km per gust, 115, 99. So please be careful there. And then it might pass through the northern UK, shows a few towns there, more than 124 km per gust in those islands there. So please be careful. And then later shows this continues there. Some small islands we get close to 121 km per gust, 123. All those areas more than 100 km per gust. So please be careful. Northern Ireland, so like some 90 km per gust. Western Ireland still close to 109 km per gust. Sunday night. Then this keeps going, still very strong winds until Monday morning. In the central northern UK, this keeps going. Potential wind threat for Norway there, along southwestern Norway, shows more than 106 km per gust, 99, some 83 km per gust, and some islands there, maybe like the Faroe Islands, might get some rough seas and some strong gusts too. This keeps going through Norway. Very strong winds central Norway, especially on the coast by Tuesday already. But then this keeps going up Norway, northern Norway. Might get some strong winds later on Tuesday. And still some strong winds in the Faroe Islands in some areas there. Like Tuesday until Wednesday, especially. Later next week on Wednesday shows some bigger winds in western Norway still. Then we'll have the next system next Thursday passing near the UK. And yeah, be aware. In Iceland, there is some strong winds. Shows that system, the UK there might affect Iceland with some snow and rain. So shows the front coming, some snow in parts of Iceland and more rain there. So be aware. The winds shows the worst winds will be there in the UK, but there's show a gusty wind there too, especially next Tuesday in Iceland with some other systems. So yeah, be aware those areas. But let's see, for example, does this model? I think this model has wingers. So the UK model show like some with the initial front on Sunday shows arriving in Ireland more than 103, 96 km per gust, 107, even Dublin 115 km per gust. The western shores of the UK very strong too, and then this keeps coming. Shows 111 in Northern Ireland, 109, and then let's see, the strongest part arrives near northwestern Ireland. Some towns there, this model shows only to 140 km per gust Sunday afternoon. So this will be very damaging us. 153 km per gust northwestern Ireland, 99, 108 km per gust. So very big system. 77 km per gust. 78, 108. Even further south shows some gusty winds too. So please be careful in Ireland. Shows this keeps going. Sunday night crosses a big portion of the northern UK, close to 100 km per gust in a big portion of Ireland and the northern UK there. So please be careful. More than 130 km per gust in those islands to the north of the UK. And this model also shows these winds arrive in Norway there. Sunday to Monday, some gusty winds to central southwestern Norway. So be careful in those areas. Might be a lot of gusty winds there, and like rain and snow at the same time. So shows like until next Thursday, the European model has more than 47. Wait, it has more than like 121 centimeters of snow in Norway there, because when this system arrives there, shows the cold front arriving on Monday from the UK, more rain and snow in Norway, along with those strong winds there. So be careful. Shows in Sweden, more rain and snow too. So yeah, be careful those areas. There's like Southern Europe shows too, and those gusty winds near Italy with those storms there. So be careful. Might be a little bit rougher seas near southern Italy and Greece this week. This weekend into next week shows more strong winds near Greece next week. So be careful. And today there's still those very big storms in Italy there. A lot of showers and storms. So some of the storms could have like water spouts and gusty winds, especially heavy rain. That there's a big flood threat with this there. So be careful. Let's see. This is the European model. Shows more storms there. Next Tuesday, next week shows storm or two, but it's mainly today on Saturday and tomorrow Sunday. Those heavier storms there. The rain accumulation till next Thursday shows the European model shows more than 100 millimeters parts of southern Italy, and show like 121 millimeters, 110. So be aware, all those colored areas might get some intense storms. Northern Italy too, so be aware. The GFS shows a little bit less, but does show more too. The icon, I don't know. Let's see. Go further out here. Yeah, so the icon still has a lot. It has more than 174 millimeters until next Wednesday. But yeah, be careful in those areas. There's still the forecast I showed yesterday. A level 2 parts of southern Italy, eastern Black Sea for excessive rainfall, so that's mainly for heavy rain. Level 1 surrounds those level 2 areas for heavy rain, the main risk, but also could see an isolated tornado risk, some water spouts in those areas. So be careful there, and still nothing new here. So yeah, be aware in those areas, and like the rainfall accumulation until next Thursday or something in the UK there doesn't show anything very big in terms of rainfall, but there'll be a lot of rain, like 50 millimeters, 4 millimeters in a big portion of the northern central UK. The southern UK less, but more Ireland in some areas, but Norway showing some bigger accumulations of 130 millimeters. The GFS is similar thing, it has more Norway there, and some in the UK. The icon has like a lot in western Norway, so be aware. Northern UK a little bit more, and the European icon is similar thing, so be aware those areas. Snowfall accumulation till next Thursday doesn't show anything in the UK from this system, but if I put this until Saturday the 26th, it shows some snow there, but that's mainly next Friday the 25th, still a week out. So yeah, be aware. Shows some snow in the Alps, a tiny little bit, and in the Caucasus there's very big snow still. Turkey there, more than 73 centimeters. So yeah, be aware those areas. We might make a video for like Western Asia later today to show this more detail, but be careful there. Next 5 days in Iceland shows more than 50 centimeters of snow, some more snow there. Rainfall shows more rain too, like some 80 millimeters in the southwestern part of Iceland. So be aware, further north into Norway shows more too, and the storms there. Be aware, Northern Africa, some storms in Tunisia and Libya. We might make more videos for Africa today, especially for South Africa, because it's showing some interesting stuff there, both models. So stay tuned for Africa and for Asia there. So yeah, be aware in Italy, be careful with the storms, and just one more thing. So here are the warnings. They already have warnings in the UK for like this is now Saturday. Let's see, they have marine warnings in Ireland for Saturday, but Sunday they already have wind warnings, orange warnings in Ireland, some wind warnings in the UK there, and wind, yeah, they might have some rain advisories later, but mainly wind. They have some rain advisories in Ireland, wind warnings for all of Ireland, so be careful there. They have some warnings in Ukraine too for like low temperatures, so I'll show the temperatures in a second. Like wind in Serbia, this mainly like Sunday and today, but you can always check this page to refresh, see the new warnings. Wind warnings in Croatia for Sunday, and Italy shows still those very major thunderstorm warnings there. But let's see if there's something for today. So this is Saturday. There are those wind warnings in Croatia. Today is Saturday. Rain there, wind throughout some other parts of Italy, and you can click here, see the warnings in Italian. Please do this if you don't understand English. Same thing for Germany, some fog advisories this morning. Click here to see in German, and yeah, they have some warnings in Lithuania for some wind, some advisories in Estonia, Finland for some wind, and yeah, be aware. Even some marine warnings in Israel, coastal event, Greece, maybe some thunderstorms. So yeah, be careful in those areas. Still very cold in Eastern Europe, shows like -1, 0 degrees, -1s. This is like Sunday morning, so today's Saturday is like 2 degrees in the morning, 0 degrees parts of Russia and Belarus. Then in the afternoon today goes up to 8 degrees and something, but tonight already goes down the temperatures, like Romania, Ukraine, -2, -1. Let's see, goes up in the afternoon again, but like remains cold at night. This is Sunday morning, like I showed you, even shows in Bulgaria some very cold temperatures. Slovakia, some spots of 0 degrees there. Might be like the danger of some frost already in Ukraine, parts of Belarus especially, into Russia there. So yeah, be aware. In Turkey it's very cold too, like -4, -5 many areas. And yeah, in the Alps there's some spots of colder temperatures, but this weekend's not very cold, but there shows some spots there. And like, let's see. So yeah, be aware. Later next week, that doesn't show as cold in Eastern Europe, but still the mountains in Romania, Slovakia might get some colder temperatures. But in the Alps, there show some spots of 0 degrees, like in the higher peaks next week. Show like some 4, 2 degrees, 3 degrees in the Pyrenees. Other parts of Spain like 7, 9 degrees, 15 degrees in Portugal. During the afternoon warms up to like 26 in southern Portugal and Spain, like 19, 16 in France. But this next week, let's say for example, this afternoon shows like some colder temperatures in the UK, some 5, 9 degrees. As this system arrives on Sunday, shows like 10 degrees, 11. the southern UK, some 14 degrees, but still cold in the morning, like less than 10 degrees in the northern UK there. In Norway, it's kind of a very cold too, some 0, 1 degree, especially when the system arrives to like -1 Monday night. So yeah, be aware. In the northern areas, cold of course. So yeah, be aware.